Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you a very easy hack about how not to get chapped lips or how to get rid of chapped lips, because chapped lips are a very big no if you want to look good. It's nothing to do about makeup. You just don't look or feel good with chapped lips, because the lipstick won't glide over it properly, and with matte lipsticks the lipsticks get dried on the cracks and all. It's not a good scene at all. So what I do is I take good old Borolin and I smother my lips with Borolin. It basically becomes like a white thick film on my lips when I go to bed at bedtime, because we all know that our skin repairs itself at night. It does all the damage repairing and rejuvenating of the skin cells. Everything is done during the night, so it might look a bit funny, but the more you put on your lips and you let it be there for a good 6 to 7 hours, and what you do is in the morning when you wake up, you just wipe it off either with your wet tissue or a damp cloth, not in a very harsh way, just because it will come off very easily, and then you will see that your nice soft lips have been revealed. And then in the morning when you wipe it off, either you use a lip balm, or what I do is I use a drop of coconut oil on my lips. It serves me two purposes. First of all, it hydrates the lips, and coconut oil has many benefits for the skin, so that whole coconutty goodness gets absorbed into the lips. Lip balm we can use anytime, but it's better we use as much natural products that we can, so that we can keep our skin good and you will be good to go throughout the day. And this routine you can do as per your requirements. Because I do this regularly, I have seen that after doing this, if I do this today, I'll be good to go tomorrow and the day after as well. You just have to use a little bit of lip balm, or what I do is I use Borolin at night, just a little bit, just to moisturize it, not this whole lip mask thing. No, I'll be doing this after 3 days and I'm good to go. If you think this video was relevant to you or was helpful in any way, so do give a thumbs up to us and like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and good night.